जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयमयोगमु 2nd श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, performing all prescribed duties without expecting fruits is known as karma yogam. Those who are performing this karma yogam will also have an understanding that they are different from their body. Atma is different from body. That aspect is known as jnanam. That jnanam is the main aspect in the karma yogam, in the process of performing karma yogam. That means jnana yogam is also there in karma yogam. Arjuna, if karma yogi does not have a clear understanding that Atma is different from body, how can he becomes a karma yogi? Arjuna, thinking that Atma is body, that is known as sankalpam. So karma yogi must get rid of this sankalpam, must give up this sankalpam. Then only he becomes karma yogi. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma suggesting us to perform karma yogam, in which jnanam is the main aspect, and suggesting us to get rid of the sankalpam, which is a thinking that body itself is Atma or Atma itself is body. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yam sannyasam iti prahuhu yogam tam vidhi पांडव नह्यसन्न्यस्त संकल्पो योगी भवति कश्चन. ओम. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do the following 8 works. Always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra, giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana, teaching Srimad Bhagavatam in 4 slokas to Chaturmukha Brahma. In that process, Sriman Narayana saying that, O Vedagarbha, before this Srishti, I exist. In the form of this Srishti, I am existing. And after the Srishti, that means after Pralayam, dissolution, I only exist. Like this, Paramatma said to Vedagarbha, and now Paramatma, what he said in 3rd sloka, the meaning of that 3rd sloka is, O Vedagarbha, when Atma comes in contact with Prakriti, that means body, Atma does not appear as it is, but Atma always has its own glow. But when Atma comes in contact with Prakriti, the Prakriti masks Atma's glow. Now, the glow of Atma is not seen. That means Prakriti is taking over. Prakriti is glowing. This is all my Maya. O Vedagarbha, Maya means my ability to do all these miraculous actions and changes. O Brahma, when there is light, the darkness is not seen. When there is darkness, the light is not seen. So also, yat pratiyeta na pratiyeta cha atmani. When Atma is in the body, Atma's glow, Atma's light is not seen. Like this, Paramatma explaining to Vedagarbha Chaturmukha Brahma. Now, Paramatma, what he said in 4th sloka is like this. Paramatma saying that, O Brahma, this entire Srishti, universe, is filled up with sentient and insentient. I am present in all entities, internally and externally. But though I am present, I never get tainted by the defects of those entities. O Brahma, there is no any entity in this entire Srishti in which I am not present. Like this, Paramatma said to Vedagarbha Chaturmukha Brahma, and now saying that, O Brahma, I answered all your questions. Like this, Paramatma gave the essence of entire Bhagavatam in 4 slokas to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. ఇదం శరీరం పరిణామపేశలం పతత్యవశ్యం శ్లేధసంధిజర్జరం కిమౌషధైః క్లిశ్యసి మూఢదుర్మతే నిరామయం కృష్ణరసాయనం పిబ. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th chapter 2nd శ్లోక. యం సన్యాసం ఇతి ప్రాహుః యోగం తం విద్ధి పాండవ నహ్యసన్యస్త సంకల్పో యోగీ భవతి కశ్చన. యం సన్యాసమితి ప్రాహుః యోగం తం విద్ధి పాండవ నహ్యసన్యస్త సంకల్పో యోగీ భవతి కశ్చన. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.